Hello everyone, the pumpkin season is in the full swing, so let's use it for delicious vegetarian fine dining recipe. So I hope you're gonna like it, and let's do it. I have here beautiful butternut squashes, so I peel them first and then slice the top on the mandolin. Now I need some orange juice, so I squeeze one orange and also peel and chop small piece of fresh ginger. I put everything inside a sous vide bag. Also put few cloves and salt, and I'm gonna cook it for 85 degrees Celsius around 1 hour. Rest of the pumpkin I will cut in the half and scrape the seeds out with a spoon. I keep the seeds on the side and I chop the pumpkin into nice pieces. Mix them with olive oil, salt and pepper. Put them on baking paper and I'm gonna bake them around 190 degrees Celsius until they will be soft. In the meantime, I will do easy pumpkin chips. So I peel the pumpkin with the peeler first. And I'm gonna fry them in the vegetable oil until they will be crispy. Season them with salt and they are ready for the plating. I washed the pumpkin seeds and now I will spread them on baking paper and bake them for a few minutes. Then take them out and leave them to cool down. I'm gonna use them for pumpkin seeds pesto. So the next thing I need is to pick the parsley leaves. Then chop few cloves of garlic and let's mix it. So I put seeds, parmesan, garlic, parsley leaves, olive oil and pepper inside the blender and I will blend it properly. Now I check the seasoning for the salt, move it inside a piping bag and pesto is ready for the plating. And if you like today's recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're first time here, click the subscribe button so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I'm gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. The next thing I need for my dish is a few orange segments. So I peel one orange and I'm gonna cut nice segments from it. At this time is my pumpkin baked, so I take it out from the oven. Also sous vide pumpkin is ready, so I will take it out from the bag, cut it to smaller pieces, and I'm ready for the plating. I start with baking butternut squash. Then I put few orange segments. A few pieces of pumpkin, cook it with orange juice, cloves and ginger. Then is coming my delicious pumpkin seeds pesto. Super crispy pumpkin chips. Few parsley leaves. And fresh dill. So what do you think, guys? Would you like to eat it? Let me know in the comments. And if you would like to learn fine dining cooking from me personally, you can apply for my one-on-one online coaching on my website chefmajk.com, and I'm gonna help you to move your cooking skills to another level. That's everything for today. Thank you for watching, and I see you soon.